Nestled in the embrace of the Italian Alps, Piedmont unfolds as a captivating canvas where vineyards create a masterpiece on the rolling hills, and historic towns echo with the tales of royal magnificence. From the regal splendor of Turin to the truffle-scented charm of Alba, Piedmont beckons travel enthusiasts with promises of culinary ecstasy paired with the best Italian wine. Welcome to Gone Travel Channel. Today we take you on an adventure through the birthplace of Nutella, where each city is a storyteller and every taste is a new chapter. Number 5. Nature. Picture the Alps, not as distant peaks but as colossal gatekeepers, standing tall and inviting you into a world of adventure. The Gran Paradiso, Italy's oldest national park, invites you to explore alpine meadows, glaciers, and a sanctuary for diverse wildlife. For the rebels at heart, Val Grande is nature's secret diary. No paved trails, just a raw, unfiltered wilderness where you pen your own adventure, discovering hidden valleys and ancient forests. Lago Maggiore is Italy's second-largest lake. Its crystal-clear waters reflect charming lakeside towns, and lush landscapes and islands like Isola Bella add a touch of enchantment to this Italian jewel. Lake Orta is a hidden gem. It's a smaller, quieter, and incredibly scenic lake where you can stroll along the lake's promenades and explore the picturesque town of Orta San Gelio. The Langhe region is famous for its rolling hills, vineyards, and picturesque villages. It's a UNESCO World Heritage Site and is renowned for its wine production. Nebbiolo reigns supreme, lending its elegance and bold character to the iconic Barolo wines. Number 4. The cities. Tucked away in the valleys, Cuneo is a medieval masterpiece. Its cobblestone streets lead to charming piazzas and hidden trattorias. Explore the historic heart, where every corner whispers tales of centuries past, and indulge in local delights that make Cuneo a well-kept secret. Perched on top of a hill, Mondovi is a visual delight. With panoramic views of the Alps, this city feels like a secret escape. Take the historic funicular that will transport you to the upper part of the city. Wander through its historic center, where pastel-colored buildings and narrow lanes create a postcard-worthy atmosphere, making every step a journey through time. Known as the truffle capital, Alba is a culinary haven. The air is filled with the enticing aroma of truffles as you navigate its picturesque streets. From the medieval towers to the vibrant markets, Alba is a sensory feast that invites you to indulge in the rich flavors of Piedmont. Elegance defines Vercelli. This city boasts historic architecture, including the impressive Basilica di Sant'Andrea. Dive into the cultural pulse of Piedmont as you stroll through its squares and immerse yourself in the timeless charm that Vercelli exudes. It is also the European capital of rice. Fields of golden grains stretch across the landscape, and the city's panisa is a culinary gem that you cannot miss on your journey. Finally, Biella, the city of textile, offers a serene escape amidst picturesque alpine landscapes. The surrounding mountains create a tranquil backdrop, making it a haven for those seeking peaceful retreats. The medieval village of Riccetto di Candello is a distinctive feature. Enclosed by fortified walls, this well-preserved village is a testament to Biella's historical significance, offering visitors a journey through time. Number 3. Heritage. In Novara, another beautiful city in Piedmont, the Basilica di San Gaudenzio unfolds its grandeur. With frescoed interiors and Gothic allure, it is a testament to Novara's cultural legacy, a place where the artistry of the past breathes life into the present. Perched majestically atop a mountain, Sacra San Michele is not just a medieval abbey. It's a stairway to heaven. Its panoramic views and centuries-old history invite you to step into a world where time echoes through ancient stones. Cradled in the Biella Alps, Santuario di Oropa is a pilgrimage site where spirituality meets breathtaking beauty. Whether you're drawn to the ornate chapels or the serene alpine surroundings, each step is a journey through centuries of religious and natural wonders. Now picture this: a town transformed into a battlefield, oranges flying like artillery, and laughter echoing through the air. That's the Ivrea Carnival, a riotous celebration where history meets citrus warfare, creating a spectacle that's as unique as it is exhilarating. Another cultural event is the Palio di Asti. This isn't just a horse race, it's a thunderous explosion of tradition and competition. Horses thunder through medieval streets, riders draped in vibrant colors, and the cheers of the crowd create an electric atmosphere, making it a must-see spectacle that transcends time in a beautiful historical city. Number 2, food. Welcome to the poetic vineyards of Piedmont, where the wines are not just beverages, they're chapters in a love story between the land and the grape. In the sun-kissed vineyards of Piedmont, Barolo reigns as the regal king of wines, boasting robust notes of cherry and earth. Its counterpart, Barbaresco, the elegant queen, dances with layers of red fruit and subtle spiciness. Nebbiolo, the soulful grape, paints a canvas of complexity in each sip, capturing the essence of this poetic Italian landscape. The truffles are Piedmont's underground treasures. Picture the excitement as each dish is adorned with these aromatic jewels, transforming the meal into a gastronomic treasure hunt. Now let's dive into a Piedmontese menu that's a culinary crescendo. Start your dinner with vitello tonnato, tender veal, thinly sliced, harmonizing with a velvety tuna sauce. Continue with agnolotti. Little pockets of joy, these handmade pasta parcels cradle the essence of Piedmont. Taste the brassato al barolo, a masterpiece of slow-cooked perfection, where beef bathes in the rich embrace of Barolo wine. A sweet finale to your Piedmontese feast is the bonnet. This luscious chocolate and amaretto pudding is a dessert symphony, a sweet crescendo that leaves you savoring the final notes of your gastronomic journey. Number 1, Turin. Nestled in Piedmont, Turin stands as a testament to Italy's rich history and modern innovation. Home to the majestic Palazzo Reale and the iconic Mole Antonelliana, housing the Museo del Cinema, a cinematic journey through history, this city seamlessly blends regal splendor with contemporary vibrancy. Explore the world-class Egyptian Museum, a treasure trove of Egyptian artifacts. Stroll through the scenic Valentino Park and transport yourself to the Middle Ages at the charming Borgo Medievale. Navigate the charming streets where Fiat cars once roared to life and indulge in a chocolate experience that rivals the sweetest dreams. Turin, a hub of art, history, and industry, offers a captivating journey through time, creating a fascinating tableau of Italian heritage. This was just a short list of wonderful places in this beautiful part of Italy. Have you already been to Piedmont? What are your favorite places to visit here? Share them with us in the comment section below and inspire other travelers on their journey. Thank you for watching our videos.